Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to create this candle. We will go through a lot of techniques like making light going through an object, and doing some compositing to make this glow, and some basic sculpting and modeling. So this is part one. We're gonna go through the modeling. We're gonna model. We're gonna set up this scene. And in part 2 we're gonna add the lights and do the animation and the compositing. So let's start. Press Ctrl in to create a new scene. Press OK. Delete the default cube. Shift A. Add a cylinder. Scale it. On pad 1. 5 to go to our terminal. Scale it a little bit on the Z axis. Now go to edit mode by pressing tab Ctrl R to add some edge loop, and use the mouse wheel to determine the number of cuts. You have to make them something like this. So when we will make some sculpting, there will be a lot of details. Press this middle point and press Control. Scale it down a little bit. E to extrude, Z on the Z axis, scale, E to extrude, scale it, E to extrude on the Z, scale it down, and scale it in. Now E to extrude, right click to leave it and scale, E to extrude, right click to leave it and scale. Now Alt and press this S so you select all this rope. Move it on the Z axis so you get something smooth. Select this one, press Ctrl E, edge slide it down and move it up a little bit. Now go to the bottom, click this middle one, Ctrl plus, and scale it in a little bit. Then E to extrude, right click to leave it. Next, scale it down, E to extrude, scale it, E to extrude, scale it. Now the basic shape of the candle is ready. Go to edit to object mode, click on smooth, go to modifiers and add modifier, subdivision surface. Now it's great. Go to the sculpt mode. F allows you to scale the brush, and Shift F to adjust the strength of it. Now make it sound like this, and for the strength make it maximum 0.7 maybe, and just start adding some variations to the model. Just to get something realistic and cool. Yeah, it's cool. Now go back to object mode. Press numpad 1 and control point, so you center your view to the cursor. Control Alt 0 and the camera will come where you are visioning on the object. Move it on the Z axis, Shift F, go to fly mode, and G on the Z, Shift F, and move your mouse down. Yeah, cool. Now delete this light. We're gonna fix the lights in this second part. Press numpad 1, press 5, center your view, Shift A, add mesh curve, B0. Now go to wireframe mode by pressing Z. Select it, select this one, Shift S, selection to cursor. So we'll go to the center, select this one, and move it up. Actually, as you can see, I'm gonna pick this. Go to modifiers, click on optimal display so we see clearly the visual. Click on this one and press S0 so it will be vertical. Now select all of these, move it on the Z axis. Press Z so you see. Just start adding some rain into this. Rotate it, move it to front view, rotate it, move it. That's nice. Now Shift A, add curve, circle. Actually, this circle is gonna define the bevel of this one. You're gonna click on this one, go to mesh data, go to bevel object, and click Bezier circle. Now, if we scale this down, it's gonna be scaled as well. Scale it down a little bit. Yeah, cool. Actually, we have to zoom out. Move. Yeah, cool. Yes. Shift A. Now we're gonna add the flame. Add mesh icosphere. Subdivision. Make the subdivision to 2. Select the icosphere. Put it here. Shift cursor to selection. Control N. So there's a control point. So you center the view to it. Press on 3. You go to side view. Just adjust his place. Go to 1. Yeah, cool. Now scale it. No, click on this one. Press O and G. Move it and adjust how it's going to be affecting the object by the mouse wheel. So just make something like this. Now press A twice. So you deselect the vertices and select them all. W, subdivide. Cool. Now select this one on the top, Control plus a few times, and Control C so you assign it to a new group. Actually, I made this because we're gonna add some modifiers. Add a subdivision modifier, and then add a displace modifier. Add a new texture. By default, it's gonna be a cloud. Right, and for vertex group, it's gonna define the vertex that's gonna be influenced by the displacement. So now, as you can see, this area is not displaced. Now go here, add for texture coordinates an object. For this object, we're gonna add an empty G to move it. Cool. Click on this one and go here, add empty. Scale the empty up so you get something like a flame when you move it. Cool. Save your scene by pressing Ctrl S and OK. And that's it for the part 1 of this tutorial. Wait for the next one.